Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about Klok app. Okay, Klok, a next-gen AI chat app built using Mira's infra. Okay, you can now use multiple frontier models on Klok for all your AI needs within the same chat, all while also earning Mira points. Okay, so we earn points from Mira. Okay, and Mira is also a good project. Okay, you can see they have confirmed they are backing this project, and we are going to be earning Mira points by interacting with this Klok app. Okay, so I'll be leaving all the links in the description below if you want to go ahead and read about them. Okay, you can see it's confirmed right here. We can interact with this endpoint, which will be redeemed for future tokens. Okay, and this is very easy. Okay, this is one of the easiest airdrop tasks. Okay, so don't fail. Let's read something about Mira. What is Mira? Mira Network is a decentralized infrastructure platform designed to universalize AI. Okay, it enables the development, contribution, and monetization of complex AI products through community source workflows, incentivize evaluators, and structured knowledge graphs. Okay, so Mira has raised a total of $9 million. Okay, and these are their lead investors. Okay, so they have raised a total of $9 million. The airdrop is confirmed. Okay, this is very easy. All you have to do is head over to Klok app. I'll be leaving my link in the description below. Okay, so once you are here, you can select between your chat agents. Okay, your AI agents. You can select between Llama 3, DeepSeek R1, ChatGPT 4 mini. Okay, so you select here and enter any prompt. Okay, you can just send anything. You chat the AI 10 times daily to redeem your points. Okay, so if you're able to invite up to 20 people, you get the pro version. Okay, you get a pro version. With the pro version, you'll be able to send a total of 50 prompts every day. Okay, a total of 50 prompts every day, which is 500 points every single day. Okay, so make sure you are able to invite some of your friends, share it to them, complete this task here. Okay, you complete this task. Completing these two tasks will also earn you points. Okay, that's all for now. Just come here every day and chat the AI. This prompt resets whenever it gets to 50 every 24 hours. Okay, you can also switch between your AI agents. Select DeepSeek. There are prompts already here. Okay, so you can just click on these prompts. Okay, you don't even have to type. After it answers the prompts for you, just click on this add button. You can change the AI agent right here. Okay, select ChatGPT 4, choose another prompt. Okay, so that's all for now. Mira is a very good project. Find some time to research about them. Okay, they have raised 9 million in funding and the airdrop is confirmed. All you have to do is chat this AI daily, redeem your points, repeat. Okay, make sure you join our Telegram for more updates. Stay blessed. Peace.